The Vishwa Shanti Stupa is a colossal white Peace Pagoda situated in Rajgir within the district of Nalanda in Bihar. It is also known as the Japanese Stupa and is one of the 7 Peace Pagodas or Shanti Stupas in India. The stupa is positioned atop Ratnagiri hill at an altitude of 400 meters. It is 120 feet tall with a total diameter of 103 feet. It is also known as the highest peace pagoda, symbolic of peace and harmony. The monumental structure was envisioned and brought to life by the renowned Buddhist monk Nipponzan Myoji. It was designed by a Japanese monk Fuji Guruji in 1969. The present form of the stupa is the result of new initiatives since 1993. Constructed entirely of pristine white marble, the stupa incorporates 4 golden statues of Lord Buddha, each representing key stages of his life: birth, enlightenment, preaching, and death. The architectural design and the physical appearance of the stupa aims to evoke a sense of spiritual elevation of the mind. The topmost spire, Yasthi, symbolically represents the axis mundi or the axis of the world, signifying a line through the center of the earth which the universe revolves around. It is also symbolic of the world tree with its roots buried deep into the earth and its branches extending up into the sky, known as heaven, a common cultural motif prevalent around the world. The Yasti is encircled by a square gate, also referred to as the Harmika. The Yasti and the Harmika are covered by parasols, symbolic of protection, majesty, and the embodiment of the Buddha himself. Extending from the Yasti downwards lies a substantial hemisphere leading to the square-shaped platform or base, often enclosed by a surrounding wall featuring 4 gates or toranas aligning with the 4 cardinal directions in the life of Lord Buddha. These directions in turn relate to the 4 events in Buddha's life. East signifies the birth of Buddha, South the enlightenment of Buddha, West the first sermon of Buddha, and North the nirvana or release from the samsara of Buddha. The renowned Buddhist site Rajgir, also known as Panchafari, is a city nestled among 5 sacred hills: Ratnagiri, Vipulachal, Vaibhavgiri, Songiri, and Udaygiri. It bears a spiritual significance as the holy site where the inaugural Buddhist Council was convened after the Mahaparinirvana of Lord Buddha. The history of the existence of ancient Rajgir predates Lord Buddha's enlightenment. It served as the ancient capital of the Magadha kingdom until 5th century BC, when the capital was moved to Pataliputra, presently known as Patna under the reign of King Ajatashatru. The Vulture Peak, also known as Holy Eagle Peak or Hill of the Vulture, situated at Grihakota, was the location where Lord Buddha converted the Mauryan king Bimbisara to Buddhism. According to historical evidence, Lord Mahavira was also known to reside in Rajgir and its surrounding areas for a period of 14 years. A ropeway serves as the convenient mode of transportation to reach the top, but also there is a serpentine staircase which serves as an alternative route for